Welcome to the Stratford IP Strategy Academy. In this brief video, we go over what it means to close a patent family, and we will reveal why it might be a mistake to do so. Let's get started. In the United States, it is possible to file what is known as continuing applications, also known as continuations. Continuations take an existing specification and have claims that cover an additional invention that was in the specification but wasn't included in the original claims. This creates a patent family. You must file your continuation before the related application issues. In other countries, such as Canada and Europe, divisionals can be filed. If the patent issues without filing a continuation application, the patent family closes. Once a patent is granted and the family is closed, it becomes extremely difficult to make any changes to the claims. This limits the scope of patent protection. Should any potentially similar iterations hit the market, there is no longer the option of strengthening the claims to that embodiment. You should opt to keep a family open whenever you are able to do so. If the patent family is closed and you want to change the claims, you have to apply for a reissue. Seeking a reissue should only be initiated in instances when there are no other options to rectify the situation. Attempting to adjust the claims of an issued patent to claim additional features or to target a potential infringer would likely not meet the requirements for a reissue in the eyes of an examiner. Further, it is an involved process that opens up the patent holder to additional risk. To adjust claims on an issued patent, a fee must be paid and your original patent surrendered. Prosecution restarts, and there is the possibility that the original patent may be invalidated and the new one refused. The purpose of a patent is to prevent competitors from implementing or selling your invention for a period of 20 years. However, once it is granted, the scope of your protection is limited to what was in the issued claims, even if you mention other embodiments in the specification. If in 8 to 10 years a competitive product hits the market that reflects one of the embodiments you alluded to in your specification, you likely won't be able to argue for royalties since your family is closed. You are not limited to one continuation, so you may file and benefit from the ability to modify the scope of your claims for years after the original patent issues, as long as you stay within the material disclosed in the specification. Keeping the patent family open allows you to write up claims that are more specific to a potentially infringing product, giving a stronger case for licensing. An open patent family is a valuable tool in protecting an existing invention. Before a patent issues, you can file what is known as a continuing application. This will allow you to make changes to the scope of protection, thereby leaving your options open when it comes to remedies for targeting potential infringers. If you decide to close a patent family at issuance, you cannot adjust the claim language and you are limited to the protection of those claims. Reissue should only be used in extreme circumstances and should not be relied upon to update the scope of the patent protection.